Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna just get right into it. I'm super happy. But before I start, it is currently past 3 and it is what is vandaag se datum? Today is the 24th of January now. So I have a surprise and I got my camera. My camera, guys. I'm super happy. So I'm gonna be unboxing it, trying it. Maybe try to adjust the settings and so with you guys. I'm very happy about this. Like, are you nuts? So but I guess you didn't know. As I said, the story goes. Maybe now I got the flow. Cause I know it from the start. Maybe when you broke my heart, that I had to come again and show you that I win. By the way, this camera note, it's not bought. I bought it from Jaeger for 5,000 rand. I didn't buy it like anywhere else. I bought it on Jaeger. Reason why I don't want to buy like a thing, because I feel like I'm gonna say I don't want to buy it out of the box. Firstly, I do not have the mullah for that. So if I can get it as pretty on, and plus she never used the cameras. Like, it came in all the boxes, it came closed, you know. But I obviously I'm gonna know that the reason why she sold it is there's a reason why she sold it, you understand? But I'm not gonna worry about that. I have a camera and I'm super happy about it. But this is not gonna be the only camera I'm gonna have. There's another camera I wanna buy, and I'm gonna buy me a DJI Osmo, but for now I wanna use that. So I really hope it's good. I have a vlogging camera now, but I also want to get a digital camera that I can take pictures with, and I'm aiming to get another Canon from Jaeger, by the way. That's where I found it. Yeah, so I'm very happy, guys. Very proud of myself. The fact that I did so much in this month of January alone, stuff I set myself to. I told y'all in the beginning, I'm gonna get my dining set table, I'm gonna get my drawer, I'm gonna get my TV stand, which is by the way coming Monday, so I will be vlogging that, and I'm gonna get my camera, and I did all of that in the span of January. And when I say my content creation, and this is from content money, I'm not even lying to you, all of this is paid for by content money. Guys, come on. So stay tuned for the vlogs. I'm gonna show you guys how it is when it's done, like charging. I really hope there's no faults with this thing, because then I'm gonna be pissed off. But it's okay, we're not gonna think negative, we're gonna think positive. This is a big achievement. This is a big goal purchase for myself. For the first time I bought something for myself. So yeah, man, come on. I just ordered, but let me just show you guys the camera quickly. This is how it looks. Super cute. It comes with a flip screen, so if I want to vlog like this, like to see myself, I can do it. And if I want to vlog this way, I can just flip it back down. No, but yeah, then I just use buttons here at the back that I must use. So I'm still figuring out how this thing works. I already recorded footage on it that I want to show you guys, but the quality is not there yet because I must adjust the settings. But I put it on. There we go. And then this is the what's the thing to cover the lens protector. And then there you go. There is me. There is I. Wait, let me just do this so you guys can see me. See? And what's amazing, this I think it's not focusing. This is a touchscreen pad. So yeah, let me just record something for y'all. Hi guys, so today we are gonna be doing this cutesy little vlog. I'm filming this on my Canon Power V10. So I hope you guys enjoy this little vlog. I am obsessed, I'm loving it. Let me just check the different angles, you know. Yeah. How do you stop it? Oh shit, there you go. Okay, cool. So it's on to like this thing now. Okay, let me be honest. Dang thing of this camera now, besides the fact that I bought it by someone, but I feel like the reason that person sold this camera was because of the fact that it dies quickly. It dies very quickly. And like, I've watched reviews about it, the quality is amazing and whatever like that, but everyone was complaining for the fact that this thing dies quickly and you need to charge it a lot. So it probably just works like for 50 to an hour, then you must charge it again. So I can see the issue, and I feel like that's why she sold this thing. But I do not care. I could use it for pictures. This thing, I think I did put the footage there. And then what's amazing, it also has its own little tripod thingy maneuver. So if I want to place it down, I can just place it on something and I can shoot. So let me see how that's gonna look if I do it quickly now. Okay, so I ordered some stuff from Pick and Pay, and I just wanted to do a haul of what I got basically. So firstly, got Doritos, and then I also got tomatoes, got some bell peppers, and then those two for 40 rand for these people. The other bag is just a little haul, guys. In the other bag I bought 2 6-packs of this thirst. So that's basically all I got. I'm hoping to cook today or to do something today to eat liquor, so I will do that with you guys. So what do you guys think? I feel like my phone camera is okay. It's better than, I think I should look into the camera, not in the screen. I think my phone camera is better than this camera in a sense, but I love the whole cinematic vibe that it's giving. It's eating. I am obsessed with it. I love it. So okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. Good morning, guys. It is the 25th. The 25th of January, and it is currently 12. So I am gonna make some bread. I've been wanting to do this, and I'm not gonna let a rolling pin stop me from doing it because I feel like I should. Okay, so I have the stuff here. I have the oil, and then I also have cake flour, and then they said you need salt, and then you need sugar. So I think I'm gonna make flatbreads. This is my first attempt. I know how to knead basically, but I haven't done it in a while. My mother is the same thing, taught me how to do it. So I wonder if I still have it in me to do it. I have a recipe that I am going to follow, but I hope it's gonna come out right. And again, what do you guys think? Are you guys okay? I have to ask to make flippin' sure. I don't know, but I'm okay. Okay, so I think, but let me just see what this recipe say. How to make flatbread. Okay, I'm not gonna make a lot, so whatever they're showing me, I'm gonna just lessen the quantity because it's just me and Jericho. See, you should take a cup of flour. So let me do that. Cup of flour, right? 1 tablespoon of, because since I'm using half, I'm gonna do half of everything. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Let me do a montage of the rest of the situation that's going on here, okay? on making some Sunday lunch, I think. One thing, I really struggled with the bread because I didn't have a rolling pin firstly. Secondly, I don't know how to do this. This was literally my first time. Some of it I did burn, I'm not gonna lie. But I'll take the burned ones and go and have the other ones. Then the lover, this is also the first time making lover. It was very, because I also used it before defrosted, so that it also gemaakt, but it tastes good, shame. I used for the sauce, like I always do, tomato sauce, mayo and sweet chili sauce and a little Jimmy sauce. Jimmy sauce bring that liquor taste, man. I don't know, I like it, I don't know. So let us do a taste test. Here is the, you see how it burned. It's actually good. It's actually not fucking bad. Janika tell me, but this is not is there. And then it's my first time. I didn't want to make too much and it's not good, you know. But the dough is a bit chewy. Please comment what should I do to not make the dough chewy. But it's good overall. The only nonsense, the only is very chewy, but the lover slime. I would, if Janika doesn't want the like the whatever the fuck this is, because it's not roti, it's not flat bread, it's something, it's bread like. Then the lover. That is basically push chewy. Please comment below. Do you guys want me to do more cooking stuff, like watch me learn? Because people assume I know how to cook. I do not know how to cook. Majority of the things that I'm doing is my first time doing it. I know the basics like pat and bad, but it doesn't mean that I know how to cook. I do not know how. So I'm also just experimenting whatever the hell I'm doing. It's hot. But yeah. Comment below if you guys want me to make more cooking, like to add cooking to my YouTube videos. And I loved it. It's good. I'm gonna tell you guys what Janika thinks. But this is all for today. I will see you guys Monday for when my TV stand come and for when my Shein stuff come. So then we can decorate the place, hopefully, if it comes in time. Okay? So I thank you for watching. See you guys tomorrow. I look very arag. I look like that Yara. I will not say any. But the TV stand came. Here it is. My father is supposed to come install it. He said I should look how does the screws look, because I think we're gonna need a screwdriver. So I'm gonna just open it with you guys. I don't know. I don't even feel excited. I don't know what's wrong with today. I don't feel how I always feel. But I think I'm gonna feel happy when I get my Shein, because ik like hier regie. Anyway, what? But anyways, let me unbox it with you guys. Okay?
This is the banger. Rise and shine. I know you.
I just put my hair in a bun. My camera is about to die, but did I do bad? Like, let's be honest, I look like a ghost. Am I really this white even? Hi guys, editing Pala. So the following footage that's gonna follow is gonna flicker a bit. Of course, my camera was flat when I was recording, and also the way I edited and exported, like the quality, it just made it worse. But I hope you guys enjoy. I think I'm gonna film on my phone because my camera is about to die. So the whole thing is again gonna change because I didn't charge the camera overnight. But the Shein package came and I'll just record until it stops because it's showing the battery is low. And I also can't charge the camera while it's recording. These are the 2 shelves. I'll get my father to also help me install these 2 shelves. I'm gonna be very quick. This is, I don't know, what is this? Oh, this is the bra, the strapless bra. This is, ja, ek nou baie vandag is voor die ding afslat. A mini artificial flower plant. Sorry. This is like a little face. I didn't know this stuff is so tiny. A little face to put on the table behind me. Most of those decorations that I bought is for the table at the back. What's that? For my gold earrings. I don't know if you guys can see. Like, you see when you put your candle, I have a candle also like on here. This is for that, but this is silicone. Oh, okay. Candle I spoke about. Why is this stuff so tiny? But these are my heels. I'll show you guys afterwards that I want to wear that has long straps. So this is super cute. This is, I think, the dress that I'm going to wear the evening of my birthday. I'm not going to show that. Is the wig installation kit. I'm not going to show that also. Don't have time. My camera quality is. But we are back to the camera. Continuing the thingy. And then we have this tiny little gold bracelet. And then I don't know what's in here. It looks like jewelry. But here's more stuff in it. But I'll open it afterwards. I have my birthday handbag. Come on. And I have my gold stack that I also want to wear on my birthday. What is this? Oh, this is scented sticks. I'm gonna show you guys when I decorate. And then this is my canvases that I'm gonna exchange there. So I'll do all the setup now with you guys. I have this thingy. I didn't know it's so little that I'm gonna use for the vases. And then I also have rings that's gonna go for my birthday outfit. But I don't think this is gonna be all because I have a home sheen color that I didn't pay for that I'm gonna get. That is also gonna have these, but it's gonna be the beige ones. And they're gonna obviously, they paid for it, so I can just pick whatever the hell I want. So let us decorate my place while my my thingy is charging. I don't like this phone and camera. Ek moet my leer as ek klaar record om my camera laat charge because it needs to charge throughout the night and it's full. You know, so let us decorate. Look how the hell my house looks. But this is all I have on so long. I took that shelves off, but I must clean that off. And that is also off, so the black shelves is gonna go there. And then I'm gonna put the mini plants there, you know. And then my camera didn't charge. Then it's the vases, the little silicone thing with the candle and the sticks and my book. And that thing that I said is jewelry was actually a calendar. So that's basically, then here is the shelves that my father need to put in. But this is the end of our video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you love this, please leave a yellow and a white heart this time. And I'll see you guys next time. I'm so sorry I had to cut the shoot because like my camera. But hope you guys enjoyed. Tell me your favorite part in this whole vlog.